don't care for the people of Northeast.
Hakaju ko porpan ukledo ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent Pala ulakan tho persya ka Sorkar jela nak benta ka rai jong ka ban wan ra bun teli ki Karkhana ko hakani ka jela tang nak benta ban yo pisa habakran phang ka jingtre kam jong ka Sorkar jela ulaong ba ka Sorkar sinrop MDA 1 bat ka Sorkar sinrop MDA 2 kila rai ban penmi hado sanlak teli ki kam ki jam hinrei Kim Shim Patla ban penmi jam wat tang silak ru hado menta mene. Ula keno ru bakani kedai tang na kadau jong ka Jingkhwan Lalot baka Sorkar kalashim ya karai bandang pli su ki Karkhana kok. Ula keno ya ka Sorkar bakala penjot thiau ya ka thain rilum jain tia barok kowe. Uba palau la ongru baka jing ngau hangame joki nong yalam seng kongres ki barim kelalong ka dau ba baka sinrop hapo ka jing yalam ka seng NPP kelayo alat biang sashisin bantau Sorkar.
They promised work to 5 lakhs people. I think not even 1 lakh has been finished. At least if you divide that 5 lakhs divided by 5 years, so how many has been employed? 0. They promised coal in the manifesto, 0. They have made a funfair that they have given a mining license, 0. Rather, they give us so many coke plants, this become poison for the people. And with that coke plant, today the people are having an orange festival without orange. Today people have pine festival without pine. And with that, that decision we have taken only for the sake of money and the sake of greed.